here's how to close a work order in Yardi Voyager. First is on your dashboard, click on the work order options. Under the work order options, you will see there the work orders that you created on the details option. Now what you need to do is to select the work order that you wanted to close. Now once you have already selected it, on the top you will see there the delete options. So you can now go ahead and click on the delete option and it is now officially closed. Now the other option is, once again, you can go ahead and click on the work order options that you can see at the dashboard of your Yardi Voyager. From the work order options, you will see there the weeks that you have, so you can go ahead and click on the close listing week, close property, or any month that you wanted to close. And then afterwards, for example, you choose the close property, click on the submit options, and then from there you can now go ahead and see that you have already closed everything on work order.